Most businesses already have a website, and you probably do as well. Would you like to dramatically improve the effectiveness of your website, where the only change you need to make to your website is to add a couple of links? How is it possible that by simply adding a couple of links, your website will become much more powerful, and potentially have a better page ranking within the search engine results? It is not only possible, but it is quick, easy, and very inexpensive. Let me explain. People do not visit your website because they are just looking for somewhere to spend their money. People visit your website for a multitude of valid reasons, but mostly because they want to solve a problem, or to meet their needs. The most frequent reason is to find information about your products or services, including pricing, features, and availability. Or, they may just be researching your products or services to learn more about them. Site visitors might also be comparing the options that are available to them in anticipation of making a purchase. A very important possibility is they may be looking to get support on a product or service they have already purchased, like warranties, service options, upgrades, fixes, and more. The number of possible support questions are almost endless. They may also be looking at your website to determine whether you look like a credible business. Wouldn't it be great if your website contained all the information your site visitor needed, and they could find it quickly without having to call you? And if your website did not contain the information they were looking for, it provided an easy way the visitor could ask a question. If your website provides your site visitor with the information they are looking for, it could significantly increase your business credibility, and it could also dramatically increase your sales. Now consider the opposite. If your website visitor does not find the information they need, they might go to another website that does, and you might lose them as a potential customer, forever. Or, they might call you on the phone to discuss their support question, and their call takes you away from making sales. Think of it, with an interactive support system, powered by AI, your site visitor could simply enter a few words that describe what they want to learn, and the information would quickly be displayed. As opposed to your site visitor becoming frustrated by searching your website endlessly. We have a solution for you. It's called Interactive Support AI. Interactive Support AI is included in our premium business plan, which also includes many other very helpful programs and perks to help grow your business. The premium business plan only costs $10 per month. And you can cancel at any time. Let me tell you a little more about our interactive support system. First, we make it super easy to add interactive support to your website. We provide you with your unique link that you put anywhere on your website, either using a graphic of your own, a graphic we supply, or a simple text link. So when your website visitor wants to engage with your interactive support system, they can click the graphic or the text link and they will be taken to your page in Interactive Support AI. You may have seen a similar model that restaurants use to provide online ordering through a third-party website, so the restaurant can focus on what they do best, prepare food. Or, another example is where a website uses a third-party shopping cart that provides much higher security for purchases than the website owner can develop themselves. A final example is when you book a room in a non-chain hotel where you are frequently redirected to a third-party website to make your reservation. Interactive Support AI is simply a powerful third-party website that works in a similar fashion by providing a top-level support interface that your website visitors can easily access. When your website visitor arrives in your interactive support system, they will see your business name at the top of the page, along with the same major color of your website. Your website visitor will know they are now at your searchable knowledge base of questions and answers, with a link to return to your official website when they finish. Once your website visitor gets to your interactive support page, they will be able to quickly search through all your knowledge base questions and answers using a powerful search tool, rather than reading the frequently asked questions and still not finding the answer they are looking for. The search tool enables them to enter a few words into a text box, and all the knowledge base items that contain the combination of words will be displayed. The next choice is very important, and it is a choice many large companies do not offer. Site visitors can select one of three choices that determine how the search will be conducted. First, they can specify that the search results include the knowledge base items that contain any of the search words. Or secondly, they can limit the search results to only those items that contain all of the search words in any order. And lastly, they can specify to only include items that include the exact phrase of the search words. How many times have you searched for an item and entered two words, like Lexington and fire, and your results are full of items about Lexington or fire, but none about the Lexington fire? Let me show you how our interactive support system works. Here are the results after entering two words, carpet and stretch. There are three knowledge base items that contain either carpet, stretch, or both. And notice those search words are highlighted in red so your site visitor can find what they are looking for much easier and faster. These search results are from using the same words, carpet and stretch, but the site visitor selected that the results must contain both words, search and stretch. Providing the ability to manage the search process will make it easier for your site visitor to find the information they are looking for. Now, I will click View the Full Knowledge Base button. We can now see the business owner added an image of one of their stretching tools so the answer would be easier to understand. We can also see that the business owner added a website link where the site visitor can access more information if they so choose. We plan to implement interactive support AI in 3 phases. Phase 1 is ready to go, and includes a searchable knowledge base of questions and answers that your website visitor can access. These knowledge base items include questions from 3 different sources. The first source is standard questions we provide where you only supply the answers. The second source of questions is where you, as the owner, want to add your own additional questions and answers. And the last source is where your website visitors submit questions that you need to answer. Phase 2 and 3 are still in development. However, all paying customers of Phase 1 will automatically be grandfathered into Phase 2 and 3 at no additional cost. Phase 2 can interface with search engines to potentially increase your SEO page ranking. Phase 3 brings the AI into the process by letting the AI engine search your official business website and your knowledge base of questions and answers, combining those results with any outside sources that seem pertinent in order to provide the site visitor with a much more complete answer. To get started, you need to join cityspokes.com, which is free. After you have joined and authenticated your email, you need to add your business, which is also free. Finally, once you have added your business, we will provide you with other tutorials on how to select the premium business plan for only $10 per month, and how to manage the 3 different types of knowledge base questions. You can also go to linkspokes.com/begin here, to view videos to guide you through the entire process. If you have not already added your business to City Spokes, join today, and add your business so you can begin taking advantage of the many opportunities to help grow and expand your customer reach to help keep your business name in the top of mind of your potential customers. And make sure you sign up for the premium business plan that includes the interactive support AI that can provide your website visitors with a much more rewarding experience. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to email or call us on our dedicated tech support line at 866-522-2066, and we will be happy to walk you through the entire process.